Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech by Ali. Hope you all are doing well, and in this video we will learn about how to make Google Cloud RDP from scratch for beginners. If you are new and if you are already a pro person, then skip this video because it's for completely beginners. I will go and I will buy a trial of Google Cloud. You can buy then if you like it. So I will go to google.com. In search for Google Cloud RDP, I will click on this link. The URL is cloud.google.com. I will click on get started for free because we are going to buy a trial, and once the trial is finished then you can pay if you like the service. United States. Here select your own country. I am from Pakistan, so I will select my own country and click on continue. So it's asking for code verification. Use a different number or just a minute. It's asking for code verification, so I will cross this one. I will select new profile, maybe this one. Cloud RDP. Again it's asking for a user account. I am not having my mobile right now, so I cannot continue, but I will tell you that after signing up, like here, let me show you the page. Here, once you click on get started for free, you will get a page with agreement. Just click on that and click on next. Click on I have read the agreement, and then use your phone number as usual, and then here enter your own business name here. Like my name is Ali. I will enter my own name. So here enter your credit card details. You can also add a PayPal account, and then click on start my free trial. Once you have done this process, then you will get $300 for free, and you can use that to buy any of the service. They have different of cloud services such like that. I have already bought this service, and I will click on console to show you people how it works. Then I will click on compute engine, and we will go to VM instances because we want a cloud RDP, remote desktop application. Here I'm already having 3 RDPs, but for showing you people how it works, I will create a new RDP. I will click on create instance. I hope the quota is not exceeded, but let's just try it. It's taking a bit of time. Just wait a second. Here enter the name, like I would like to rename my RDP as Ali, and I want it in I want it in Sydney, or just I'll select I can select Mumbai, because I live in Pakistan and Mumbai is the nearest location, the nearest possible location. So I will get low pings. Low pings mean higher speed. So select the closest destination as possible. So I'll click on general purpose. You can go for memory optimized if you want a very high speed supercomputer with 961 gigs of RAM or 1.88 TB memory, 80 CPUs, 40 CPUs. If you want that type of task, you can click on this memory optimize. But remember, you will need, this will finish this quickly. If you buy this service, it will take almost 1 month to spend $281. But if you click on this one, you will end up using your money in just like 5 or 6 days. So click on this one, general purpose, and series, click on E2, and I will buy this one, 2 CPUs, 2 GB memory, because it's just for educational purposes. I'll select on Windows Server 2019 data center with 50 GB of hard disk, SSD. Click on allow HTTP traffic and click on create. That's it. It'll take a while, just wait for it. And yeah, the quota has operation insert file quota CPUs all regions exceed. So my quota is exceed. You can create VM instance by this process, and you will get this one just like that instance one. Click on that instance one, or whatever you rename it, your RDP. It is your external IP. Just copy that, and I will cross this one, copy that, and go to remote desktop connection. Go to remote desktop connection, paste it right here, click on connect, and click on this set Windows password. This is my username, and if you click on this set, you will get your password. I am not resetting my password right now, but if you click on this, you will get your password. Then copy that and paste it right here, for example something like that, and click on OK. Then you will connect it, you will be connected to your RDP. So hope you guys got my point. Thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed and if you learned something. Goodbye.